Okay, folks. Hey, it's Steven with S&S. Today we're going to do a how-to video on a 2016 Hyundai Sonata, loaded up. Do a how-to video, how to connect the phone, all the features. As you can see, the steering wheel, you got voice recognition. You can send and end calls all from your steering wheel. This over here is for your cruise. This one has a dimension sound system in it. So traction controls right over here. That's your gas door. And then you trunk. We come back over here. We have dual climate control. You can set either side, whichever way you want it. Also, has navigation. You can enter everything in right there. And it also has Blue Link. Blue Link is a service kind of like the GM OnStar. You can get like location services and a lot of different services through that, is what Blue Link is. I mean, it's a service that you got to set up with through Hyundai. All right, next thing we're going to do, we're going to add a phone. So what we're going to do here, we're going to go into setup, and then we're going to look down here and we're going to find phone. All right, now we're going to go to a Bluetooth connection and no devices paired. Then we're going to hit add new. Okay, now we're going to go back to our phone, which I'm doing this with the iPhone today. Let's see, we're going to go back to our settings on our phone. We're going to find the Bluetooth. And then we're going to look down, see, right there it is, Sonata, just like it is right there. All right, so we hit on that. Then it'll give you some numbers. You got to match them numbers to these numbers. So it's pairing, connecting. Then you want to, whatever, if you want to put your favorites in sync, you know, with your contacts, you can go ahead and do that. And now see, look, it has been connected. Okay. Set as primary phone for auto connection. You know, that's up to you. You can store up 4 or 5 phones on there. You can do that however you want to. And then it'll request a download to get you, check your phone and confirm it. And then as you can see on my phone, it says Sonata and it says connected. Okay. Now, if I want to delete that phone, if I have some service history or I want to change it, whatever I want to do, I just hit delete all. A Bluetooth device is connected. If you want to delete all devices, all contacts, then you hit yes. And it's disconnecting. Okay. Now everything's all deleted. That's what we want to do now. The navigation, I mean, you can pretty much put the places. It's pretty self-explanatory. And I told you about the Blue Link. That's pretty much it, folks. Of course, you have a dual climate control. And then your heated seats right here will have a, you know, like a low, medium, high. That's why you hit the buttons. You see like this be all 3. That'll be just medium, and that'll be low. Trying to think if there's anything else that we need to go over. Oh, also, if you don't like the Bluetooth, you rather do it with a cord. In this console right here, you'll have the USB and the auxiliary. And we'll go around the rest of the car. I don't think there's anything else except right here's the sunroof. When you hold that back, you got to hold it, and that way it'll take care of both the cover and the sunroof. Now when you close it, it won't. You just hold it till it closes, and then you have to pull the cover forward. I think that's pretty much it, folks. If you have any questions, of course, always give us a call, 731-968-2812. Like your phone buttons and everything over here and your voice recognition. I mean, that's going to come into play when, like, it'll give you some options up here for frequently used commands. Once you get this thing used to your voice and you got your phone hooked up, you can do whatever you want to while driving down the road. Just turn that off. Then, of course, you can control your volume and your seat buttons from over here. Go back to radio. Then media, no media files because we don't have anything on there. That's pretty much it, folks. If I missed anything, of course, let me know, and we'll try to get it on there. But that's pretty much it. And learn how to use your 2016 Hyundai Sonata. Any other questions? Give us a call, 731-968-2812. Thanks for watching.